Here's my cooled off simple syrup with honey, water, and lavender. Lemon juice and freshly squeezed, please. And I've always got some frozen peaches in the freezer. They're so refreshing. And in here, they're gonna add a really nice texture and flavor. Less pulp means a crisp, tart lemonade. What a vibrant color this is. Wow. This has got some flavor. The lemonade screams lemon, a tart, really nice lemony flavor. And I love the sweetness of the peaches. And then in the background, that floral lavender. It's not too strong, but you know it's there. So refreshing.